Today we start trigonometric series and we're going to deal with series 1. Series 1, I have brought you a question from KCSE 2025 Maths paper 1. Our question states that in the following figure, triangle ABC is a right angled at B and AB is equal to 8 cm. D is a point on AC such that AG is equal to 5 cm and the area of triangle ABD is equal to 10 cm square. Here we are required to calculate the length of side BC. In a given triangle here, to get this side, it is better to start first finding this angle, maybe we call it angle theta. After getting this angle theta, we are going to use tangent so that this side is obtained. Now, let us see the way we find this angle theta. Here, let's consider triangle ABD. We are given that area of triangle ABD, triangle ABD, here we are told that its area is 10 cm. This triangle, this one, 10 cm square. But you know, for any triangle whose two sides are given, when you take a half times the product of the two side lengths times the sine of the included angle, you get the area. Maybe let's assume this side length be called A, this 8 cm be taken as B. We say that area of triangle ABD is equal to a half times A times B, AB times sine of the included angle, which is angle theta. So, as we already have the area, it means that 10 cm square is equal to a half times A, which is 5 cm, times B, which is 8 cm, times sine theta. After that, you're going to get 10 cm square is equal to 8 into 2, we get 4. So here we are going to have 4 times 5, 20 cm square, times the sine of angle theta. Now we are going to divide by 20 cm square to have sine of angle theta. Then sine of angle theta will be equal to 10 cm square divided by 20 cm square. Now this will be equal to 10 divided by 20, which is equal to a half. Now sine of angle theta will be equal to a half. You get 30. Now theta is equal to 30 degrees. Already we have obtained this angle. So, as I told you before, now we're going to apply tangent of this angle to get this unknown side BC. As you know, tangent of an angle, here tan theta, is equal to opposite of adjacent. Now, it will be equal to, opposite to this angle is side BC, it will be equal to BC divided by adjacent. Adjacent to this angle is this side, 8 cm. Now, tan theta is equal to tan of 30 degrees, as theta is 30 degrees, will be equal to BC divided by 8 cm. Now, to get BC will be equal to 8 cm times the tangent of 30 degrees. Our BC will be equal to 8 cm times tangent of 30 degrees. Now, when we compute, we find side BC is equal to 4.62 cm. So this is the answer. Now, side BC is equal to 4.62 cm. But I remind you that if you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure that you subscribe, share, and comment without forgetting to like our video lessons. Thank you. Have a nice moment.